Quick question. How is it that we spend 16 years in school, but no one teaches us how to manage our money? No budgeting class. No finance basics, just good luck out there. But don't worry. Today, I've got 7 practical, real-world budgeting hacks that no one taught us, but absolutely should have. These tips will not only save you money, they'll give you clarity, control, and confidence. So grab your chai, sit back, and let's fix your budget once and for all. Hack 1. The reverse budget. Pay yourself first. Let's start with something super powerful. Pay yourself first. No, I don't mean treat yourself to Starbucks every payday. I mean, before you pay rent, bills, or buy anything, save a fixed amount first. This is called a reverse budget. Earn, save, spend what's left. Not the other way around. Even 10% of your income adds up over time. Automate this and you'll feel rich, even if you're not yet. Hack 2. The expense mirror. Track everything. Try this challenge. For the next 7 days, track every rupee you spend. Every single one. Use Notion, Google Sheets, even a paper notebook. Why? Because most people have no idea where their money goes. When I tried this, I realized I was spending rupees, $5,000 a month just on small snacks. That's not lunch. That's guilt with ketchup on it. The moment you see your spending patterns, you naturally start cutting back. Not out of guilt, but out of awareness. Hack 3. Budget. Based on personality. Not everyone is a spreadsheet nerd, and that's okay. There are 3 budget personalities. The tracker loves categories and spreadsheets. The splitter uses fixed splits like 50-30-20. The automator sets and forgets everything. Find your style. There's no one right way, only what works for you. If it feels like a punishment, you won't stick with it. Hack 4. The 3-account system. This one changed my life. Open 3 bank accounts, or wallets if you use Jazz Cash, Easy Pisa. Needs, rent, bills, groceries. Wants, Netflix, weekend outings, clothes. Future you, savings, emergency fund, investments. Split your income like this. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to future you. When your fun money runs out, you stop spending. No guilt, no guessing. Mini story. I used to feel bad for buying coffee or eating out until I created a fun account. Now I budget for joy, guilt-free. Hack 5. Automate everything. Willpower is weak. Systems are strong. Set up auto transfers on payday. Money should move itself into your savings, bills, and spending accounts. No more mental math. No more oops, I forgot. Apps like SadaPay, NayaPay, or your online bank let you do this easily. Your future self will feel like you hired a personal accountant. Hack 6. Goal-based budgeting. Savings is boring, but trip to Turkey isn't. Hack your brain and your budget by naming your goals. Example, emergency fund, rupees, 50,000 target. New phone, rupees, 90,000 target. Side business startup. Give your money a purpose. When you name your savings, you're more emotionally connected and you're less likely to touch it unnecessarily. Hack 7. The no spend rule. Mental reset. Try this challenge once a month. A 7-day no spend week. No spending on non-essentials. No takeout. No online shopping. No random snacks. You'll be shocked how creative you get. Cook at home, use what's in your pantry, read instead of Netflix. It resets your habits and proves to yourself you control your money. It doesn't control you. Budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. You can enjoy life today and still prepare for tomorrow. Let's quickly recap. Reverse budgeting expense mirror. 3. Budget personality. Types 3 account system. Auto transfers. Goal naming no spend reset. Start with just one of these hacks this week because small changes when done consistently turn into financial freedom. Comment below which hack was your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New videos every week to help you get smarter with money. See you in the next one, only on FinPulse.